Look at what I have in for review. These are dual PB-17 Ultras Evolution series. I am busy putting together a video and an article. Just so far, wow. I'm actually experiencing more of a difference with music than I thought. There's a lot of things here to go over, and you may be wondering why duals. I'll go into that in the review, but I've always said there's no way you can hear what a subwoofer truly sounds like unless you have matching dual subs. And I experienced that with the PB-16 Ultras, trying to mix and match those, and ended up turning it off in favor of the PB-2000 originals. That's why duals are important. But the main reason for me doing this video is Cyber Monday. The Cyber Monday sales are their outlet sales where they're just blowing stuff out. The Ultra speakers, like the Ultra Center, Bookshelf Tower, Ultra Surrounds, those are crazy on sale right now. And the best stuff goes first. That's why I like to do these videos, so you can get a jump on it and get the best chance. If you're going to get subwoofers, just know that the ported subs tend to disappear quickly, and you want to stay matched. So if you have a single sub now, I wouldn't mix and match. Yes, it's better than a single, but dual is optimal when they're matched. A couple of cool things about the PB-17s here. I'm working on an article. I'm working on a big video. The video is going to be long. There's no way to get around it. There's a lot of stuff to cover. They sound really good with music, and I wasn't quite expecting that in the way that it's going on. There's a lot of nuance to that. The other thing is how little power these things draw for the amount of power they have available to the driver. To put it simply, you're not going to have a problem running dual PB-17 Ultras on any sort of household circuit that's not like ready to just catch fire. Okay. Basically, if you could plug in 200-watt light bulbs on your circuit, you can run these. They draw so little power. It's crazy. So there's a lot to cover, but I just want to put out this video for the Cyber Monday, let you know that I've got these, I'm working on them, and there's just a lot to cover, and these things are impressive. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell, all that good stuff. And I appreciate you following my affiliate links. It makes all the difference in the world. It's how I keep making videos. So I appreciate your support. It means a lot. I'm excited about these. They're a lot of fun. So definitely stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.
It says team lift.
Yeah.